Namaskar, I'm Ronit and welcome back to my channel, The Bong Connection. So today we have a very special guest on my channel. It's none other than Prasanajit Parasar. Say hi, Prasanajit.
Thank you. Hello
So-
everyone, I'm Prasanajit.
So, so Prasanajit ji jo hai, he is actually one of my very old subscribers and we became friends on Facebook. He sent me a request on Facebook and then we became very close friends and now we are like inseparable. We discuss about a lot of things. He loves music, I also love music, and we also have a common love for BTS. So I think you already know by the title. So we are going to react to BTS's new song, that is Permission to Dance, featuring Ed Sheeran, because he's the one who composed this and all. And I'm expecting to see him in the video. What are you expecting from the video, Prasanajit? Let me know.
Of course, I guess the video is going to be a blast, like considering what RM said and what all guys are so excited about. Also, Ed Sheeran's collaboration is going to be perfect for that.
Yes, exactly. So I'm super duper excited. We saw the teaser, and before we get into the video, I just want to ask you who is your bias?
Actually, it's very difficult to choose from all the seven. You know that very well,
of
but
course.
I could choose Jungkook overall. Like you know, like he's everything. Like he's so talented. He's so
course.
hardworking. He has such a beautiful voice, like an
Yes.
amazing tone. Like being a little bit of good in singing myself, I can feel the jealousy from his voice. Like he's so good. Yeah,
I
he's
can
really
understand.
good.
So Prasanjit is a great singer, by the way. So I will provide the link of his Instagram and his YouTube channel as well down below in the description box. Please go and check it out. He makes amazing music. He has also covered few BTS covers. You know, like Jungkook's Euphoria. So he is a great singer. Of course, like there will be comparisons, but don't compare because he's just starting off, and I'm pretty sure he's going to go a long way. So I'm really excited to do this. He's my subscriber come friend. So this is my first reaction with another BTS army. So I'm very excited today. So let's do this. Like it took ages for us to figure out the whole thing.
Yeah,
I
it
still
did.
don't know how this is going to turn out, but let's just do this. Okay, I will just tell you. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it in 3, 2, 1, and go.
I'm so hyped for this.
Yes,
the
me
pancakes
too.
looks delicious.
So this is a homage to Butter, I think, definitely, because they're continuing from Butter, right? And this is the album named Butter.
Yeah, maybe, yeah. Yeah, it's kind of is. Yeah.
It's the thought of being young when your heart
Okay.
feels like a drum, beating louder with nowhere to guard it. When it all seems like it's wrong, sing along to Elton and to the
Damn.
Out of the green hair, I'm loving it.
When the nights get colder,
Damn,
Jimin.
Jimin.
the rhythm starts
Yes.
falling behind. Just dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye. Then you say, I wanna dance. The music's got me going and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's make a plan.
Woo!
Just like we're
Green.
going like we're dancing.
That's red.
The coordination.
We don't need to worry. Just when we fall, we know how to dance.
Oh, you sure do.
The talk, just walk the walk tonight. 'Cause we don't need permission to dance. There's always something that's standing in the way, but if you don't let it phase you, you know just how to break. Just get that right vibe, yeah. 'Cause there's no looking back. There ain't no one to prove we don't got this on lock, yeah. The wait is over. The time
Hello there, cowboy.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we'll keep going and stay up until we see the sun rise. And we say, I wanna dance. The music's got me going and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's break our plans and leave just like we're golden and rolling like we're dancing
The setting is amazing.
Wow, that turn was perfect.
Just walk the walk tonight.
Okay.
We don't need permission to dance.
This is such a bop.
It is so catchy.
Well, let me show you.
Jimmy should not look into the camera.
Yeah. It's illegal to look this good.
It is.
Oh my god, everybody in denim.
They look crazy good.
Yes. The white and the blue denims is a killer combo.
That is so cute.
Okay.
Oh my world.
That was.
Oh
just
my
amazing.
world.
Wait.
Okay,
wait,
okay,
wait.
it's left.
Is it-
Oh my god, this is so adorable. They are just amazing.
Oh, this is so catchy.
I want to be there right now.
Exactly. Oh my god.
Permission to dance, yay!
That was so good.
Oh my god, this was
my God.
amazing.
I-
This was amazing.
I just. Oh my god. Can we start talking about the outfits first? Oh my god. All of them were looking so good in cow boot. Cow boot? What am I saying? Cowboy boot and hats. Oh my god. That is like a dream
Yeah.
costume to see them in, first of all. And secondly, let's talk.
Of course, they all were looking so good.
Oh my god, all of them, each and every one of them. Like I was just being Jungkook, Jimin, Sugar. Everybody
Exactly.
was surprising me one by one with their amazing costumes, the colors. Oh my god.
They
And
are.
the fact that this is actually the celebration of freedom from this pandemic, because I can see that a little bit of glimpse they had given us in the
Yeah.
teaser. I remember Suga was reaching that newspaper and it was written 2022, free from pandemic. Finally, the COVID-19 has been beaten. So they are giving us that hope through this music video that a day will come in the future where, we will finally
Yeah.
be free from this all problematic pandemic that we are having right now, and finally we will have the permission to be free and let go of our inhibitions, not stay at our homes, wear our masks, and just be ourselves, right? What do you think?
I wish that time comes soon. And I'm very hopeful that this song, with all its positive vibe, is just going to sway away the corona or
Oh
something.
my god, exactly. Who was your favorite, like your vocal wise, who was your favorite? What did you think about the song? Let us know. First, I want to know it from you.
I loved that they kind of distributed it so evenly between all of them. It never felt like one was given more highlight than the other. Like, it does not happen. It's very difficult for a group like to distribute choruses and lines between amongst them. And I was so happy listening to all of them. And their English sounded so good. It was like
Exactly.
it was indistinguishable.
Exactly.
It
and
was amazing.
that's what's the most surprising thing, and that's the most beautiful thing about music, right?
Yeah.
Like even if you speak you have accent, like we both have Indian accents when we are speaking right now.
Of course we do.
But
yeah.
when we sing, it totally changes because we can modify that, and singers can do that. That is the magic of music. Like it totally changes the way we talk, the accent comes in. Oh my god, they were just so amazing, so
Of course.
smooth. And this song is such a summer bop, so feel good, and I felt like I was just being me and my friends and my family, everybody is enjoying. This is a kind of song which we can play all the time. We will just have a gala time. The choreography is so fun and cute. I think choreography wise they did a great job. They made it fresh, at the same time they made it danceable. Like everybody can copy this and this, so I think everybody can do
yeah.
this. Like even a person who is not a dancer, they can copy this move. So that's what I enjoyed about this whole song as well.
Yeah.
Overall,
Absolutely, I also like the fact that they incorporated so many other people in the song. It was
Yes.
so adorable. The kids, the people all around, they were like it. I think it's been a long time like I've seen something so wholesome. To be
Yeah,
honest,
yes.
like because all of their songs are even if they are like part of an album or maybe singles or etc, but it's majorly all 7 of them, and
Exactly.
that's obviously very obvious, but in this video it was like they were just celebrating life to the best. It was a celebration of life, to be honest. Like it's like life, they sang life goes on and life is going on right now, and they are living like there's no tomorrow, and that's perfect. That's a perfect vibe for us all living in this pandemic and being so negative about everything. So I think this song is going straight to my playlist. I must tell you, after this reaction ends, it's going straight to
Of
my
course.
playlist. No BTS song
Of
skips
course.
that, but this is
Yeah.
going ASAP. This is going ASAP. I'm not a good dancer, but I'll try to dance to this step. Like this is not hard, I guess. So I'll try to.
I think everybody can copy the
like
moves.
it's amazing.
Yeah, and I
Yeah, they
feel
can,
that they gave it a more Western feel to it, because I could see that they have shot this. I don't know what the location is, because it seems like it's a Western location. Even the diner and the people celebrating, everybody seemed like it was more of a Western feel to it, and I like that.
Actually,
because-
in the teaser also I saw that they were like they had this a little kind of signboard in a single frame, and there were these multiple country
Yeah.
names written on that.
Yes,
and I
yes,
guess it's a reference to like the whole world, taking the whole world together, because BTS is a world phenomenon right now. It's not limited to
Exactly.
Korea, and everyone knows that.
That's true.
Haters or lovers, everyone knows BTS.
Exactly. I mean, who has not heard about BTS, right? And that's why they are creating such huge impact in people's lives, making them happy and smile. And during this pandemic, it's much more needed, because we are going through so much in our lives, and this is the perfect kind of song to lift
Yeah.
us up and lift our moods and make us happy and smile and just enjoy it thoroughly, right? Just enjoy with it and move to
Actually,
it.
every time they come up with a song, the motive is really clear that they want us to be happy. Like with every song, they come up with a new concept, a new it's not easy to get going with new concepts every year. It takes a lot of effort, and I'm just in an awe and in wow of how they managed to do this. That's why they are BTS and we are not. So
Exactly.
it's amazing. It's amazing.
So that was it, guys. Like, if we keep on talking about BTS, we will just go on and on and on. We will never stop, because
Of
we are
course,
such
yeah.
huge fans. So I think we will finish
Yeah.
with this today, and we are definitely going to download this. We are going to dance the heck out of it, and maybe a dance cover is in their future if this heat is not killing me. I mean, it's so hot. Anyway, guys. We both had a lot of fun. This is the first time we collaborated, and BTS Army is so
Yeah, we
happy
did.
right now. Oh my god, Indian BTS Army in the house, and we had a gala time watching this.
Yeah.
I'm just going to admire their outfits again. Okay, before we leave, we need to talk about few of the members. Like, my bias is RM. Him and his green hair. It was giving
yeah,
me
I know
life. Oh my god.
I know how you feel when you look at that.
I know, right? And he was looking so good in denims. And Jin also, like, he was killing it. But Jungkook and that black outfit, Oh my god, he was looking so good, and especially that short hair, and he looks the best. I thought that he looked the best in like long hair, but I think he was
Yeah.
rocking that short hair with that undercut.
He rocks everything. He just rocks everything.
Exactly.
All of them, to be honest.
All of
And
them.
Hobie has been loving shorts lately. Like I've seen few of the performances, live performances. They have been loving shorts lately,
He
and
had-
that's so
he
good.
had this
Like it looks so good.
He was wearing sleeveless shirts as well. Like I'm like, yes, show those arms
Yeah.
to the people, to the world. Anyway,
Yeah.
I'm so happy that even Mingy was so happy. He was smiling, and that is so happy. That makes me so happy.
The
With
best thing
Suga-
about the best thing about this teaser was Yoongi's smile. Like, you know, he has gone through so much. We see him, like, he always is happy, but still, we don't see him smiling often. But the
Exactly.
video starts with him smiling, and you are like, this is the perfect song.
Exactly, because he deserves the world. I mean, Suga deserves the world. He's
He
so
does.
sweet and happy.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, let's stop this video right now. We had a great time. I
Yeah.
hope you guys enjoyed our reaction. If you did, then what we need to do, Prasanajit, please tell them.
You just need to go subscribe that button right now, like the video, share it with your friends and family, and comment down below what you thought about our reaction. Maybe we can bring more of it in the future.
Exactly.
And thank you so much, Ranit, for having me on your channel. It was
course.
such a delightful time.
Me too. Trust me, we had a great time. It was a lot of struggle in the beginning, but I'm glad that we finally did it. And this video is going to be
Yeah.
such a memorable video for me throughout my life. I'm telling you. So yeah, thank you very much for being on our
For
channel.
me too. Me as well. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
We will
Bye.
see you guys again. Until then, ciao.